Hi guys, I'm Julie. Today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade pizza quick. Please thumbs up for this video and don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Firstly, take 2 eggs and put them in a little bowl. And then put them in a super big bowl. Then add 4 tablespoons of mayo and 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Next, take 9 tablespoons of flour, and as you can see, I'll put that in a little bowl beforehand to make it more presentable, and then put it into the big one. Next, mix it all together. I do it with my hands, but you can take a mixer, I think. Once you're done, take a pan and add some oil on it. I chose olive oil. After that, put your dough in a pan. Time to add some ketchup. The really good thing about homemade pizza is that you can choose pizza topping. Then put some meat or sausages on your dough. And super important thing in pizza is cheese. Don't forget about that. Next, cover your pan with a lid and put it on low heat on burner on something about 15-20 minutes until it be ready. You don't have to bake that, just put it on low heat on the burner. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching and see you later. Goodbye.
We'll be right back.